Now, in this lecture, we will find out the value of the integral sine squared theta by 2 into cos to the power 10 theta by 2 with respect to theta under the limit 0 to 2 pi. So we have to evaluate I is equal to integration of sine to the power 2 theta by 2 into cos to the power 10 theta by 2 under the limit 0 to 2 pi with respect to theta. Now let us put theta by 2 is equal to t, then theta is equal to 2t, and if we differentiate it, d theta is equal to 2 dt. Now let us, if we are changing the variable from theta to t, ultimately the value of limit will also change. So now if theta equal to 0, ultimately the t is equal to 0. But if theta is equal to 2 pi, then the value of t is equal to 2 pi. 2 pi is equal to 2t. 2 pi is equal to 2t. So 2 will cancel and t is equal to pi. So the limit of this integral will be I is equal to integration of sine to the power 2t into cos to the power 10t under the limit 0 to pi. But we know that integration of sine to the power mx cos to the power nx under the limit 0 to pi with respect to x, which is given by 2 times of integration of sine to the power mx cos to the power nx under the limit 0 to pi by 2 if n is even for any m. This n should be even for any value of m. M may be odd or may be even. Otherwise, its value will be 0. So here, since the value of n, which is equal to 10 over here, this 10 is even number. So this can be written as 2 times of integration of sine to the power 2t and cos to the power multiplied by cos to the power 10t under the limit 0 to pi by 2 with respect to t. Now, we know that the integration of sine to the power mx cos to the power nx under the limit 0 to pi by 2 with respect to x, which is equal to m minus 1 into m minus 3 into m minus 5 up to 2r1, which is multiplied by n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5 up to 2r1, whole divided by m plus n into m plus n minus 2 into m plus n minus 4 up to 2r1, which is multiplied by p. And we know that the value of p will be pi by 2 if m and n both are even. Otherwise, its value will be 1. So this is the very well-known formula of reduction formula. And clearly here m and n are positive integers. It should not be negative or it should not be fraction number. So now here, the value of m is equal to 2 and the value of n equal to 10. So let us substitute all these values in this integral. So we have I is equal to 2 times of this 2 times. And this is 2 minus 1. The first part is over because the value of m is equal to 2. The second part, 10 minus 1 into 10 minus 3 into 10 minus 5 into 10 minus 7 into 10 minus 9, whole divided by 2 plus 10 is 2 plus 10 into 2 plus 10 minus 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 4 into 2 plus 10 minus 6 into 2 plus 10 minus 8 into 2 plus 10 minus 10. And since the value of m and n both are positive integer and it is even integer, therefore the value of p will be pi by 2. So let us try to simplify this one. This 2 minus 1 is 1. 10 minus this 2. First we have to write down this 2. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 7 is 3. And 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Whole divided by this is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. 12 minus 4 is 8. 12 minus 6 is 6. 12 minus 8 is 4, and 12 minus 10 is equal to 2 multiplied by pi by 2. Now, this 5 and this 2, 5 2 is a 10, this 10 will cancel. Again, 3 1 is a 3, 3 2 is a 6. Then 3 3 is a 9, and 3 4 is a 12. So if we see what is the remaining in the numerator, it is 3 into 7 into 3 into 7. This 3 is cancelled with 2, okay? That is this first game. This 2 is cancelled with this 3, and this 3 is cancelled with this. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So if we see, it is 3 into 7, which is equal to 21, not 63. It is 21. This one is 21. Answer is not correct over here. And remaining is 4 into 2 into 8 into 4 into 2. So this is multiplied by 2. It is 1024. So the answer is 21 pi upon 1024. So this is the answer of this question. Hence, therefore, the value of the given integration sine to the power 2 theta by 2 cos to the power 10 theta by 2 d theta under the limit 0 to pi by 2. This is nothing but 21 pi upon 1024. Thank you.